In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a moving average to the RSI in TradingView. This simple yet effective technique can enhance your technical analysis by combining these two popular indicators. It allows you to observe momentum and trend, enabling more informed trading decisions. Let's dive right into the process. First, let's start by adding the RSI indicator to your TradingView chart. To do this, open your chart and look for the Indicators button, which is typically found at the top of the interface. Once you click it, a search box will appear. Type in Relative Strength Index, or simply RSI, and then select it from the search results. Once you add it, you'll see the RSI panel appear beneath your main chart, displaying its typical oscillating line between 0 and 100. Next, we need to add the moving average to the chart. Once again, click on the Indicators button at the top of your TradingView interface. In the search bar, type Moving Average. Select it from the list to add it to your chart. At this point, you'll notice that a new line appears, most likely overlaid on your main price chart, indicating the moving average line. Now, here's where the magic happens. We want to move this moving average line so that it's displayed on the same panel as your RSI indicator. To do this, right-click directly on the moving average line that you have just added to your chart. A context menu will pop up. From the options available, select Move To. You will then see a sub-menu. From here, choose Existing Pane below. This action will neatly relocate the moving average line to the RSI panel, allowing you to see them overlaid together. This setup provides a clearer picture of how the moving average interacts with the RSI, letting you identify more nuanced signals about overbought or oversold conditions, as well as potential reversals or continuations in the market trend. By seeing these indicators together, your analysis can become more insightful, providing a deeper understanding of the market's momentum. Lastly, for those of you interested in more advanced features, TradingView also allows the creation or application of custom scripts, which can integrate these two indicators even more seamlessly. One such example is the Marcy script, which combines the two into a single indicator. And there you have it. Combining the RSI and a moving average in the same pane can really enhance your chart analysis by providing an additional layer of insight. Whether you're a beginner looking to broaden your technical analysis toolkit, or an experienced trader refining your strategy, this method is certainly worth exploring. Thanks for watching and happy trading.